Magandang araw po sa ating lahat na imbangal daw kanya tayo. Amin. So, ang pag-usapan naman natin ngayon is about the voltage and current relationship of transformers. Related pa rin kasi ito dun sa ratio of transformation ng mga transformers dun sa may primary and secondary side. Last time ay pinag-usapan natin ay yung voltage and turns ratio ng mga transformers. So, ngayon naman, ito ang topic natin. Yung iba kasi, ibibigay na sa atin ang equation na ito. Yung the voltage of the primary divided by the voltage of the secondary is equal to the current of the secondary divided by the current of the primary. Related kasi dito yung ratio of transformation, which is the voltage of the primary divided by the voltage of the secondary. Pero upang mas madali nating matandaan tong equation na ito, hanap tayo ng principle and pattern. Para sa relationship ng voltage and current ng mga transformers, tandaan lang natin yung unit na volt amperes. Dahil sa principle ng transformer, yung volt ampere ng primary is equal to the volt ampere ng secondary. For that one, makakagawa tayo ng equation wherein the voltage of the primary multiplied by the current of the primary equals the voltage of the secondary times the current of the secondary. Actually, parehong-pareho lang sila sa equation na ito. Kung dito, i-revise natin, mag-cross multiply lang tayo, di ba? Voltage in one side of the equation and current on the other side of the equation. Parang ganito, the voltage ng primary, okay, itong voltage ng secondary pupunta dito sa baba, equals maiwan yung current ng secondary divided by the current of the primary. Anyway, alam naman natin na walang pinagkaiba yung paggamit ng letter E sa letter V when representing the voltage. Ulitin lang po natin, yung volt ampere ng primary equals the volt ampere of the secondary. So from this principle, gawin natin yung equation natin. The voltage of the primary multiplied by the current of the primary equals the voltage of the secondary multiplied by the current of the secondary. Ayun, so mag-solve na tayo ng isang sample problem. A transformer with a 240 volts primary and 15 volts secondary has a primary current of 0.21 ampere. Calculate the secondary current. Kung i-analyze natin yung problem na ito yung relationship ng voltage and current ng mga transformers. And for that, tandaan natin, yung sinabi natin, yung volt ampere ng primary equals the volt ampere ng secondary. So for this one, meron tayong mabubuong equation, which is the voltage of the primary multiplied by the current of the primary equals the voltage of the secondary multiplied by the current of the secondary. Ang hinahanap natin dito ay yung current ng secondary. Given yung voltage ng primary and yung kanyang current and yung voltage ng secondary. Yung voltage ng secondary, ilipat lang natin dito sa other side na equation. So magkakaroon tayo ng current of the secondary equals the voltage of the primary multiplied by the current of the primary divided by the voltage of the secondary. Substitute lang natin yung given. So current ng secondary equals, yung voltage of primary is 240 volts. Multiply this by 0.21 ampere, divide this by 15 volts. Cancel yung volts. Ang maiiwang unit dyan ay current. At ang sagot dito ay 3.36 amperes. Next problem natin, a transformer with a 440 volts primary and 110 volts secondary has a primary current of 2.1 amperes. Calculate the secondary current. Relationship ulit ito ng current and voltage. So therefore, we have the voltage of the primary multiplied by the current of the primary equals the voltage of the secondary multiplied by the current of the secondary. Gaya ng problem kanina, ang hinahanap natin dyan ay yung current ng secondary. Cross-multiply natin ulit yan. So magkakaroon tayo ng secondary current equals voltage ng primary current of the primary, divide this by the voltage of the secondary. Substitute lang natin yung given. We have 440 volts, multiply this by 2.1 amperes, divide this by 110 volts. Ang sagot dito ay 8.4 amperes. Next problem tayo. A step-down transformer used in the adapter for a cell phone charger has a primary voltage of 120 volts and a secondary voltage of 5 volts. The current in the secondary coil is 2.4 amperes. Calculate the current in the primary coil. Obviously, yung problem natin is the relationship of the voltage and current ng mga transformers. Tandaan ulit natin yung volt-ampere ng primary equals the volt-ampere ng secondary. So for that, the voltage of the primary multiply that by the current of the primary equals the voltage of the secondary multiply that by the secondary current. Ang hinahanap natin dito ay yung primary current. So cross-multiply natin yung voltage ng primary dito sa kabilang side ng equation. We have primary current is equal to the voltage of the secondary multiplied that by the current of the secondary divided by the voltage of the primary. Substitute lang natin yung mga given. We have the current of primary equals voltage ng secondary is 5 volts. Multiply this by 2.4 amperes. Divide this by 120 volts. Ang primary current natin is equal to 0.1 ampere. Yun, so last problem natin. A single-phase transformer rated 7.5 kVA or kilovolt amperes, 2.2 kV over 120 volts has a primary winding of 800 turns. Determine, letter A, the number of turns in the secondary and the current carried by the two windings when the transformer delivers rated kVA at rated voltages. Typographical error, ang letter B ay the current carried by the two windings. Umpisan natin dito sa letter A, the number of turns in the secondary. Meaning to say, yung voltage and turns relationship ng transformer ang dapat natin gamitin dito. Nung last time, pinag-usapan na natin yan. Kung yung voltage and turns ng relationship ng transformers ang pag-usapan, kailangan nating tandaan yung unit na volt per turn. Wherein yung volt per turn ng primary equals the volt per turn ng secondary. Ang hinahanap dito sa letter A ay yung number of turns sa secondary. So, cross-multiply lang natin yan. Okay, so pupunta ito dun sa taas. Dito naman sa kabilang side ng equation, we have maiwan yung voltage ng secondary. Itataas yung number of turns ng primary. Divide this by the voltage of the primary. Substitute lang natin yung mga given. Yung voltage ng secondary is 120 volts. Multiply that by 800 turns. Divide this by 2.2 kilovolts. So that is 2,200 volts. Ang sagot dito ay 43.636 turns. Siyempre, rounded off na yan into 44 turns. Next naman, isolve natin yung current carried by the two windings. Meaning to say, yung current ng primary and secondary. Siyempre, for that one, yung volt-ampere ng primary equals the volt-ampere ng secondary. Yung volt-ampere ng secondary and primary is 7.5 kVA. Or 7,500 volt-ampere. Unahin natin yung sa primary. So, etong dalawang to ang kukunin natin dyan. Therefore, the voltage of the primary multiplied that by the current of the primary equals 7.5 kVA. Cross-multiply lang natin yung voltage ng primary dito sa kabilang side na equation. So, we have 7.5 kVA. Divide this by the voltage of the primary. Huwag lang tayo malilito. This is 7,500 volt-ampere. Substitute natin. We have the current of primary equals 7.5 kVA. Divide this by 2.2 kV. Ang sagot dito, 3.409 amperes. Next naman, yung volt ampere ng secondary equals 7.5 kVA. So that will give us voltage of the secondary multiplied that by the current of the secondary equals 7.5 kVA. Cross multiply lang natin yung voltage ng secondary. We have 7.5 kVA, divide this by 120 volts. So, cancel out yung voltage natin. Ampere lang maiiwan dyan. Tandaan lang natin yung 7.5 kVA, that is equivalent to 7,500. Minsan kasi may mga nalilito pa tungkol dito. Ang sagot dito ay 62.5 amperes. Again, sa relationship ng voltage and current ng mga transformers, tandaan lang natin yung unit na volt ampere. Then yung volt ampere ng primary equals the volt ampere ng secondary. So from these relationships, meron tayong voltage of the primary multiplied that by the current of the primary equals the voltage of the secondary times the current of the secondary. Practice lang tayo na mag-practice ng mga ganitong problems para mas masanay pa tayo. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Naimbag nga aldaw, kanya tayo. Amin.